Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today we are making such a simple but so creative project on Scratch. So the name of this project that you can animate your name on Scratch. So this project name is Animate Your Name on Scratch. So let's see the first demo of this project. So I will click on this green flag. So friends, as you all have seen that my all sprites are just rotating, and there is a garden song also, and even their color is also changing. So there are 30 color I said. So this is the project of today. So let's learn how I create. So first I will show you the coding of backdrop. This is the coding of backdrop. This is the coding of story S. So this is the alphabet story. Alphabets are here. All coding, all sprite of coding are same. You can animate your name. I am animating my short name. My name is Shaista, but I have taken Shao. So you can take anyone, and even you can change their size. So let's create a new one. We will create a new one and we will make more creative for it. So this is very easy project, guys. You can also make it. So now our regular cat will be delete, and first we will take the backdrop. You can take any backdrop, and let me choose what one is better for me. So let's take this hearts. Yeah, this heart backdrop is good. So let's put the coding for this backdrop. So first I will do it that when the green flag will click, so we will go in the forever, and we will take from the control, we will take forever, and in this sound we don't want this pop sound, we will just take it some another sound. So from this sound we will go there and we will take a sound. So in the loops we will see that because all this kind of sound will be in loops. So I will just click on the loops. When I will click on this loop, so I will get to so many kind of sound. So let's take this one, let's listen. Yeah, this one is good. So you can take this one, garden, and I will delete this pop sound. So I have taken garden sound. So first I will go in the sound block, and I will take it play sound until done. Right? Now this is the coding of the backdrop. Let's listen. Yeah, it's good sound. Let's take a sprite and work on sprite. So guys, I want to teach you today that there are three type of alphabets are here in this scratch. First alphabets type of alphabets is let me see and I will tell you. So we will see here. So yeah, our first alphabet is block. Block alphabets are here. Second, glow alphabets are here, and third, our story alphabets are here. So here we will take our story alphabets. So you can take anyone. I am taking story alphabets, and in alphabets I will take it S. Then I will just take it H. So you can't take at once every sprite. You have to go again and then you will get it. So it will load for some time and then I will get. So let's see. So we will see here there are so many kind of that. So yeah, let's take S and then we will take it H. Yeah, H I have taken. Let's take A. So is very common for everyone. In everyone spelling we get A, kind of that. So I will just choose A. You can even put your name. I am just putting my name. Animate, you can animate anyone. SHA, and last sprite is remain for us is U. So let's take U. Alphabet U. We will take it. So yeah, this U. Now we will set their size. So first we will just make their position. So the S will be here, then A will be here. We will just space them because it will rotate. So that's why A will be here, right? You can see here properly. A will be here, H will be here, and U will be here. Yeah, this is good. S will be, we should change here S, then H and A and U. So we have to put S, H and AU. So we will just split it. Yeah, so I have put in their position as I want. So let's put the coding now. We will just put the coding here. Yeah, after this I will go on the first alphabet is S. So for first I will just change their size to 130. You can take anyone. I am taking 130. We will not take too much big size because it will rotate, so that's why we have to take 130. And here also A will be also 130 because all size is equal, so it will be more better for that. In the last one 130. Yeah, 130 we have taken. Now on S we will put the coding. So for that, first we will go in the event block. As in every project we have to put this when the green flag will click. So what will happen? So let's see. We will go in the control block. We will take this forever block. In the forever we will go in the loop block and we will see something. Slowly we will drag it. Yeah, so we will see here what's new, which one is better. So yeah, change color effect by 25. So instead of 25 you can take it 30 colors. You can take any, but I am taking 30. And then we will go in the motion block and I will just turn it into right section 15 degree and then wait for 1 second. So in the control block we will take it. So I will just put it here and I will just copy this all coding to every alphabet. I have done on H. Let's do on A. Okay. Yeah, on A we have done. Now we have to do on the last sprite U. So we will just copy it here. It will get some problem to copy it because we have to drag it properly. So that's why. So just now I am not getting here. Let's take H and I will just drag it from here. Okay, I get to this. Okay, now I get. So in the S I have one this block. In the H, yeah, in the H even I get 2. So that's why I will just delete 1. And in the A even I get 2 because it's going L. So that's why. Otherwise we will delete everyone. So there are so many kind of blocks are becoming here when we just copy anything. So yeah, now I get. So this is the coding of every alphabet. Let's see. Let's save this project and let's see in the big screen. So friends, as you have seen, they are rotating also and they are even just coloring also in 30 colors and even sound is also there. So let's give a title to this project. So you can take it animate your name on Scratch, or you can say animate your name, just like that. We have done animate your name. So as you have seen, this is a very great project, right? It's very good. So yeah friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it, and kindly, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon and just turn on the all mode, and then you will get my all notification at first. And please share it with everyone, and comment me in comment section that how was my this video. Thank you so much.